And we begin with that wild ride on Wall Street. The worst day in more than 4 years after the second worst on Friday. Millions of Americans watched a bungee jump of a day. At the opening bell, the Dow plunged more than 1,000 points. Rebounding by midday, then a late afternoon nosedive, closing down over 580 points. It's a chain reaction that started in China. They called it Black Monday there. And here at home, the average American 401k took a big hit, losing thousands. ABC's chief business correspondent Rebecca Jarvis starts us off.
It started with a plunge, the Dow cratering an unprecedented 1,000 points just minutes after the opening bell.
It gives you a little butterflies in your stomach.
Even veteran traders stunned by the drop.
What's one word to describe the feeling on the floor today?
Anxious.
Moments later, stocks clawing back, reversing some of the losses.
People were nervous, but there was not that sick feeling in your stomach that sometimes you get at times like this.
Before plummeting yet again. So what's driving the volatility? Triggered by a massive sell-off that started in China last week, the Dow now down more than 1,600 points in just 5 days. Traders fearing the slowdown in China could lead to weakness here. The White House trying to calm those nerves.
What I would encourage people to evaluate is the ongoing strength and resilience of the U.S. economy.
But to many on Wall Street, with stocks up nearly 60% over the last 5 years, today's slide was long overdue.
There feels like there's this disconnect. The economy's chugging along, but the market has gone up exponentially.
The market has gotten ahead of where the actual economy is.
This day ending with an unusual sigh of relief. The Dow down 588 points, but it could have been so much worse.
And the typical 401k has now lost about $9,000 in just the last week. What happens next comes down to how Chinese stocks fare overnight, and traders will likely be feeling more of those butterflies tomorrow, George, and we'll be following.